What's up, wonderful people? Today we are going to Great Wolf. Great Wolf is a very fun place to visit if you have young kids. So come and join us. We are going to show you the restaurant, the gift shop, the arcade, the rooms, the fun activities, and of course, the water park! Parking area here is very easy. It can get very crowded, but you will always find a space, so don't worry about that. You'll find plenty of carts around this parking area here, so it's nice. Definitely will help you to bring your luggage. A lot of carts here. Very convenient. So they have their shows here. Place for you to check in. Look at that fireplace. Yes, it is.
That's really cool.
First restaurant on the left, Loose Moose. We have fruits. Look at this, guys. Yogurts, fruits, muffins, danises, croissant, milk, more muffins. What is that? That looks very sweet. We have oatmeal. Look at that. Gabriel, can you get me some scrambled egg, please?
This is and you're serving. Okay.
Okay, it's a buffet style. So, how much is cost, Cecilia, right here?
So for the kids it's $9.99 and for the adult it's $15.99.
The gift shop.
A
A lot of nice sweatshirt. A lot of water bottles here. Coffee cups. They have candies here.
Thank you so much.
Sleeper Pal. Oh, they have Dunkin' Donuts here. That's where we get the pizza. Oh, that's ice cream. Ben & Jerry. Let's check out the arcade. Dulu doa. Oh yes. No.
This is funny.
Whoa, that's awesome. It's nice. Very interesting. Right here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What is this for?
I don't know. As soon as we get in, we have a treasure box here. Is it a treasure box? I am not sure.
Let's see.
Can you open this? Just the props, guys. Alright, so this is our room. Thought there's something in there, but hey. I keep falling down. This is our bed. Too bad. You like our bed, bro? Two big mirrors here. This is for you to wash your hands. They have microwave, refrigerator. That's beautiful. Coffee, dark coffee, nice. Bathroom here is pretty small, but hey, it's not bad. Meaning dining table and a balcony with parking lot as the view. Great Wolf has lots of activities. One of the most popular one is Magic Quest. we have the chance to explore the lodge and use our magic wands to take part in the super fun adventure. In addition, right in the welcome area, they have story time, hustle and howl dance, and many more activities, so make sure you check their schedule.
Guys, check this out.
And you would dump sand into the center, and it's in the water until you pick out some
You
gems.
get the gem.
Another activity to do is play golf here. Check that out! Woohoo! Nice! Or you can also play golf here. Yeah! Where you get the towel. That one is closed under renovations. I believe this is a toddler area. Have lockers here. Scotrun. Okay, thank you. Man, can I sit here? You have to hold, yeah? Good job. Put your feet like that. Good, good. Yeah, I'm gonna hold you like this. Is it recording?
Yes.
Good, thank you, got it. Zion, are you ready? Yeah, we are recording, right? Don't worry.
Whoa, one line behind.
It's okay. Good luck. Whoa! Don't worry. Keep holding. It's okay. Oh, so dark. I don't know. Good, good. All right. Rekam nggak deh?
See you next one. Bye. Whee. Whoa, cool. So cool. Whee. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, it's not that intense actually. It's actually not that intense. It's not cool. I'm stuck. Ah, this is more like it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. I see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye. Ow.